Drop a note, hit like, subscribe, alright? And don't forget that red box, you can click it. No ticket, Jade. What's going on, everybody? It is your girl Jade. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified whenever I upload a new video. So if you are tuning in, this is my very first ever makeup tutorial. I don't even want to call it a makeup tutorial, honestly. This is just something I'm trying out for the time being for my Makeup Monday series. And going into the new year, I am wanting to jazz up my face a little bit, because normally this is how I go out into the street every day. Now there's nothing really, the light makes it worse. There isn't too much wrong with my face. It's just I have some blemishes that are, yes, okay, every time I'm recording. I love him to death. That's my 12-year-old son, but every time I'm recording, there is something he is in dire need of. But that's kids, you know, that's what happens when you're a single parent. Anyway, so as I was saying, there isn't too much going on with my face right now. The only thing I have on my face right now is moisturizer. So typically, if I'm running late or I don't want to look like this when I go out into the street, I will honestly say I'm not a big makeup fan all the time, but I am getting to the age where, or to the point where I don't want to look like this every day when I go out of the house. So I haven't really timed myself, but I know it doesn't take me like more than 10 minutes to do just a quick face. So that's what today's video is all about for my first series and Makeup Monday. I wanted to just show you guys, if you're someone like me that doesn't like wearing a whole lot of makeup, doesn't really wear makeup a lot and are looking to change that, but don't want to, I don't want to say waste time, but don't want to put a whole lot of, you want to look made up without looking made up, if that makes sense. So that's kind of where I am with my daily routine right now. I want the no makeup look. So if you want to know how I achieve that look, keep on watching. So typically I want to say 7 out of 10 times I do not prime. And if I do prime, this is the primer that I use. And all I do is take a little bit, like that much, a little bit more than that, and I dab it onto my face, and then I just kind of rub it in, and then pat it in, because you want to set it, you want to have it set on your face for a little bit. And then and then what I usually do, so that the primer is kind of melting into my face, I guess you want to say, sometimes if I have a little bit of time, I'll take a beauty blender and I'll pat it on my face or whatever. That's what I forgot to get. Doesn't matter. Other times while that's sitting, what I use to moisturize my lips is some Vaseline, and I just started doing that. Typically, what I used to do is get these really cute Neutrogena tinted lip balms, and that's what I would use. I forgot to show you what I was using. So while the primer is sitting, I am in love with e.l.f. I love a nude or pinkish looking lip. Now, this color, you can tell it's pink, but I think with the light you can't really, it kind of looks like I'm not wearing anything, but that is going to change. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I have naturally thick brows. I have not touched my brows at all, and I never do unless I'm actually doing like a full face. So now that that has sit a little bit, now that the primer has sat a little bit, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 300, and what I do is I just pump a little bit on my face in different spots, clean it off of here a little bit, and I just kind of dab it all around my face. There is no particular order I go in. I just kind of, as far as where I dab into my face, as far as where I do the foundation, I just kind of go in different spots, simply because most of the time it looks like this foundation does not match my skin. It looks a little, I don't know the tone I want to say. I don't know the color I want to say, but it looks a little brownish until it, like, I notice that it sets a little bit. And I also take a little bit more and I put it on my eyelids, because when I'm in a hurry and I don't want to put too much effort into it, I just use foundation. Okay, now that that's done, now I'm going to take my mascara from Lancome called Seur Big, and I have about 5 or 6 I typically use on a regular. Depends on my mood, honestly, on which one I use. And I don't know when I started doing this because I wanted to time myself. Because I know it takes me like less than 10 minutes. And I want to say even less than 5. But I've never timed myself, so I don't know. I don't do contouring because it's a no makeup look, and ain't nobody got time for that. So my secret to adding some color to my face is I take my L'Oreal blush palette and I'm going to take my eyeshadow little fluffy brush, and I'm going to use this color right here. I'm gonna put a little on my eyebrows, on my eyes. I have hooded eyes, so with hooded eyes you kind of have to go a little above like almost at your brow bone. Otherwise, you won't be able to see that you have any color on your eyebrows. Why do I keep saying eyebrows? On your eyelashes. Your eyelashes. It won't look like you have any eyeshadow on. That's what I want to say. So. And then what I also have started doing, I don't know why, I take a little of the same color, put it a little bit on my nose. Then I think I'm going to take this one and this one and just do that, and then brush it, just kind of dust it onto my face. Why does my head look like super long right now? Do I have a long forehead? My head, that's... And then if I have a little bit more time, if I want to add a little bit more pop to my lips, I'll take a lip liner that's a little too dark, because remember I used my pink, and this is lip oil from e.l.f. and I just go in a little bit, not much, with a darker lip liner. And kind of give my lips a little bit of a pop. And you still can't see my eyeshadow, which is really blush. At least not with this light. I should have got a mirror. And you can see it up close, but oh. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Now, if I'm just running, if not even running, if I'm, just doing this and I'm not going to be going out like all day, I don't set my face. If I do, I use Mario Badescu facial spray, or I'll use my Urban Decay spray. And that is all I do to my face. I don't do anything else. And this is the finished product. My no makeup look. I mean, it's pretty basic. It was pretty quick. I don't know how long it took me. I guess I'll find out in editing how long it took. But yeah, that's it. Every product I use probably less than 5 products. Every product I used, I will leave in the description box below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever the case may be, drop me a comment. You know how I do. Drop a note, hit like, subscribe. All right, and don't forget that red box. You can click it. No ticket, Jade. Oh. Anyway, you know what to do. That is it for this week's Makeup Monday. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Drop me a note like I said. Don't forget to heart. Don't forget to heart my video. Like this video, drop me a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner, right there it says subscribe. Okay, right there, you see it? It's right there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I will see you guys in a few days.